Welcome to tri-vima studio, and this is Hridayam, a heart and mind of an artist. A podlist, not only a podcast, not only a playlist, a podlist, which will try to share you some of my experience, some of my imagination, some of my thinking process, some of my dealing process with the start of your project, where you just hold your pencil and just about to scribble something regarding your project and you black out. So we'll deal that, how to overcome with that, how we can find our own space in between of chaos surrounding with our own work. We will also see that how we can share and help each other by some of these sources like YouTube comments, many things. I'm much simpler with connectivity. I don't push everything. I just handle it because I know my turf. So I am definite that you also know your turf. But there are many corners of your turf that yet to explore, just like me. So I will be able to make myself in your turf like a checkpoint. Wherever you see that is an issue, you can share. I will guide you by some interesting aspects where you will overcome with that checkpoint. It's all about sharing and connecting with each other. Myself, I am Ajay Sutar. I am a 3D artist. I am in this field around 21 years or more, and I've taught many people. I'm still teaching online personally and group. I've been also training to many companies, the teams of companies. I am best at many softwares, but still I like to play with Blender. It is much more bigger playground, or you can say different turfs in one big playground, in one big stadium. That's the really great thing in this. It's not only about that it is free or open source, that's why it's very favorite. No, it's bigger than that. It's a thinking that an artist can get paper for his art free, but the tool he or she has to earn. Yes, he or she has to learn from it, which is important. So the Blender has given that all to me and even many others. So I am not calling up you to join a community or a group or anything else. No. When a family wants to talk, they don't go somewhere else and call someone to somewhere else and talk. No. Family comes at one place. That's our home, and art is our home. Artistry is our world. Imagination is our universe. So we should be at one place. So in that way, I am giving you Hridayam, a podlist, as one place where in each video you can comment your thoughts, share your experience, which is convenient to you. And also I will try to connect with you with some different source where I can help you with your art or your process of your art, because it's very important. Nowadays many artists are good artists, but they don't plan, they don't think. I'm sorry, but thinking is important. No one thinks. Even they are not slow. Yes, that's different. They are not slow. They have to be slow for a start, because while starting we have many more things to organize, which results to at end. Because of that planning, we can create multiple projects by one single planning, or it can help to the multiple project. So it's very important. No one thinks that way. I do it Many times I did, many times I failed, but now I'm succeed. I can deal with some thinking process, which are obviously a common process, maybe, but the way of thinking can give you a different path and it can help you to achieve. So the purpose of that, purpose of this podcast is to inspire, to motivate, to celebrate the artistic journey, but in your way, that you want to achieve something but you are lacking with some ideas or some thought, where to explore, where to search, where to think. I won't be sharing some pop-up pictures and links and etc. I will just speak like I am right now speaking to you, because that is most simpler way to connect. We don't see that thing, we don't do that thing. So let's start with it, because I saw myself and many other artists that every artist is alone. Every artist has many fans, but still they are alone. Why? Because an artist to artist, there's no connection. Simple connection, nothing else. No critics, no credits, no nothing. Just a connection. Let's try to create that. So, welcome to Hridayam, a podlist of a heart and mind of an artist. So, let's meet you next time, and do share your thoughts, your opinion, and your experience. In the comment, it's fine, because we don't want multiple things. We need straight thing, so we can focus on our other things like my art, my projects, my clients, my business, etc., etc. So we all need to wide but think straight, that I need a simple discussion to overcome with my ideas, with my thoughts. So I'll try to help. Let's see. Thank you. See you next time. Bye for now.